Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to prevent another admin from managing topics on Telegram web using your PC, this guide is for you. With Telegram's latest updates, you have more granular control over what each admin can do, including managing topics. Let's walk through the steps to restrict this permission. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're an admin and want to adjust permissions. Now look at the top of your chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's profile and settings panel. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually represented by a pencil. Click on this icon to enter the group's editing mode. Inside the editing menu, find and select the Administrators section. This is where you can see all the admins in your group and manage their individual permissions. Scroll through the list and click on the admin whose permissions you want to change. A detailed permissions menu for that admin will appear. Look for the Manage Topics option. This setting controls whether the selected admin can create, edit, or delete topics within the group. To prevent them from managing topics, simply toggle this permission off. After disabling Manage Topics, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. The selected admin will no longer have the ability to create, modify, or delete topics in your group, but they'll retain any other permissions you've assigned. By customizing admin permissions, you keep your group organized and ensure that only trusted individuals can manage important features like topics. This helps maintain order, especially in larger communities where focused discussions are essential. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can easily control who manages topics in your Telegram group on the web. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins to help them keep their communities running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.